Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. This is Victor Gatobu and I welcome you to this channel. Today is on a Tuesday, just yet another Tuesday, and I'll be going to work as usual. Follow me through. Let's go. Seems like I'm out of gas, guys. So let's go to the petrol station and get some gas. Ya dhao ni ngapi? How many liters? So your price is 215.36. Okay. Now it's time to rush like 200 meters to work. Looks like it's gonna be a good day, man. Looks like this is going to be a nice, awesome Tuesday day. I need to be fast so that I don't get late. So let's go. This is my drive to work. As you guys can see, the fuel is yet to read. Hopefully it's gonna go up 1 bar. Currently doing around 100 kilometers per hour already. Yeah, there is traffic today. We have 2 white Toyotas in front. We have a Vanguard and a Corolla. That Corolla is so slow. When the reason I'm hurrying to work is there's something I need to attend before it's 8. But these guys are slowing me down, man. I need to work for at least 10 minutes before it's official 8 report time. Finally, I'm at the place, taking my left turn. Awesome. Door is already open. There's another car coming out, and I'm in. Let's go work, guys. So I'm wishing you a good day, man. And today's quote is simple. Remember, whoever has the goal makes the rules, man. Let's get to work, guys. Let's get to work. And that's how a land cable is born. Yes, I just left work and who I found? Bosco. Whoa, that was just another day. But at least the fuel gauge is now reading 2 bars. So I leave to buy fuel another day. Hopefully I'll buy on Saturday or Friday. But we'll see. Oh man, it's looking so nice. With the sun setting over there. So this is a typical evening drive, which is not as good as the morning drive, but it's still worth it. Oh man, this looks beautiful, even though the road is bad, but who cares? You know, I'm enjoying driving on an evening. This is awesome, man. There's a school bus in front, so the kids are already leaving school, going home, you know, or they have already arrived. The bus is going back to school. Someone there going on the wrong side. Oh man, this road is bad. Yeah, maybe I need to buy a bigger car. Stop complaining, man. You need to buy a new car, a bigger car. But one day, guys, oh man, talking about cars, one day I'm gonna buy a V8, a Toyota Land Cruiser V8. One day, man. Just enjoying my life. Woo! This is beautiful, man. This is beautiful. Look at that sunset. Wow. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Check this out. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Just another day in Africa. That's too beautiful not to record. That's too beautiful not to record it.